That's lit. Unpacking slang in English. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, your daily dose of English. Today, we've got a really exciting topic for you. We're going to unpack the meaning behind the phrase, "That's lit," a piece of slang that has become super popular. Slang can be tricky for English learners, so we're here to light the way. Let's dive into the vibrant world of English slang together. When someone says, "That's lit," they're usually expressing that something is amazing, exciting, or excellent. The word lit has its roots in the past tense of light, implying that something is illuminated with excitement or excellence. Originally, lit described brightly lit spaces or even someone who was intoxicated. But now it's evolved to a term of excitement and quality. The transformation of the word lit is a great example of how language evolves. Lit started to gain popularity in the hip-hop community and was often used to describe parties that were especially energetic or fun. Over time, its use expanded to include anything that's thrilling or pleasurable. Whether it's a great party, a song, or even a tasty meal, if it's lit, it's worth your time. Let's put "that's lit" into action. If you see a stunning sunset, you could say, "That's lit." Or, if your friend shows you a new song, and you really enjoy it, you can respond with, "This track is lit." It's a phrase that's best used among friends or in casual settings, rather than formal situations. It's important to remember that slang isn't always appropriate in every situation. Using "that's lit" in a job interview, academic setting, or when speaking with someone who prefers formal English, is not advised. Slang is relaxed and informal, so it's best kept for casual conversations. I hope this explainer has helped you understand the phrase, "That's lit," and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning slang can be fun and is a great way to sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Keep learning, and keep it lit.